Hey there, today I wanted to review the stainless steel pet fountain. I received it in the mail a few days ago, was finally able to unbox it, read the instructions, check all the components. I cleaned everything before I filled it with water, and now it is filled up, it's plugged in, and it's at my pet's watering station area in my laundry room. One of the reasons I wanted this fountain was because of the ease of cleaning. I've had other fountains in the past, both plastic and ceramic, and while they're great on some levels, disassembling them to clean with all the nooks and crannies is very difficult. And this fountain, when I was setting it up, I noticed that there aren't a lot of tight spaces to get into with tiny brushes, so I think it's going to be a lot easier to clean. The other thing I like about it is it's very, very quiet, and all of the reviews I read, or most of the reviews I read, said that it was a quiet fountain, although I was a little skeptical at how quiet. But I'll be quiet for a second and I'll let you listen. So I'm not hearing a thing. I don't hear the motor. I don't hear the water splashing, nothing. So far, my animals seem to like it. They still have traditional bowls of water throughout the house, but this is a nice option if they want something fresh and recirculated.
You like that, Wes?
Dee Dee, look at you. Dee Dee. She think it's a toy. My goodness.